When shadows move and seasons turn, when all I know is swept away, you, Lord, stand in perfect stillness, faithful in the light and gray. King of ages, never shaken, holy sovereign over all. Every promise you have spoken stands when all the mountains fall. You do not change, you remain the same. Yesterday, today, forever, Jesus, you will still reign. When my heart fears what I cannot see, I will rest in your unchanging love and sovereignty. On the cross your love was proven, justice, mercy met as one. There the spotless wounded Savior finished all the work for us. Nothing can reverse that verdict, righteous over guilty claim. Christ has borne my full displeasure, grace has opened up the way. You do not change, you remain the same. Yesterday, today, forever, Jesus, you will still reign. When my heart fears what I cannot see, I will rest in your unchanging love and sovereignty. Spirit, teach my soul to trust you when the road is dark and long. Fix my gaze on Christ, my shepherd. Give my trembling lips a song. Though my strength is small and fleeting, you are strong and always near. You will hold me to the ending, perfect love that casts out fear. When the nations rage in anger, when the kingdoms rise and fall, you are still the Lord of history. You are God.